Well, it's about 1:30 in the afternoon. Scott and I have headed out. Just got done grilling some hot dogs. I'm enjoying a nice rum drink. Listening to Jimmy Buffett.
This is terrible. Let me out of here.
And both sheets are up. We're about, oh boy, I would say now, I can barely see it, so we're probably about, I don't know, what do you think, Scott?
8-9 miles.
8-9 miles out from Muskegon. There's like 0 waves, and there's about, I don't know, 8 knots of wind. It really don't get no better than this here as far as sailing wise, if you like to go slow and chill out, which I do. So, all right, well, if anything exciting happens, like we start taking on water or we get torpedoed, I'll let you know. Don't get no better than that right there.